Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my first video in English language. So, my dear friends and viewers, please pardon my every single mistake in this video. Today, I will unbox two books which relate to my discipline international relations. It is very important video for those people who took their major international relations. So please stay with us. After unboxing these two books, I will give a short review about these books. Should we buy or not? So let's start the unboxing video. You know, this is the it is a it is a formal unboxing. I unboxed it in previous days. When I got the parcel, so don't it in serious. I watched this book, and I for this I can give you a short review after unboxing. It is not the deepest or deep review I do in my channel. It is just saying should we buy or not. There is two option. Which book we can buy? There is two packet. One, there is another one gone. First book is International Theories. So my dear friends, it is my first book. My second book is Introduction to International Theories and Approaches. This is fifth edition. This book is from Oxford University Press. The writer of this book is Robert Jackson and George, who is very famous for political science. Two writer wrote this book. This book contains many theories of international relation, but you have to choose which book you should buy. There is two options. My dear friends, at first I will tell you the contents of the books. First, I will tell you about international relation theory by Stephen Magellan's Realism, Liberalism, the English School, Constructivism, Marxism, Critical Theory, Post-Structuralism, Feminism, Post-Colonialism, Towards Global IR, Green Theory, Global Justice, Query Theory, Sequestration Theory, Critical Geography, Asian Perspectives, Global South Perspectives, Indigenous Perspectives, a Contemporary Perspective on Realism, the Ism are Evil, All Hail the Ism. My dear friends, you watch the contents. Many writer writes the contents in this book. Many writers contribute to these books. So there is another book we can watch the another topic on this book, the International Relation Theories and Approaches by Robert Jackson and George. Why study IR? IR as an academic subject, realism, liberalism, international society, international political economy, classical theories. International political economy, social constructivism, post-positivism in IR, foreign policy. Key issue in contemporary IR. I collect the legal PDF of this book from the site International Relation Publishing. It contains many writers chapters, and it is very short to explain a new student of IR. I cannot understand the theories because there is limitation. There is one theory in 2 or 3 pages. But in this book, there is brief content about every topic. So you can find your question, your answer, everything in this book. But I brought these two books for an experiment, which is good one for the new student of IR discipline. I think the book Introduction to International Relation is best book for a new student in IR discipline. You can buy this book from many online sites or the offline bookshop. You can also get your copy from your academic library. So it is your decision to collect this book. My dear friends, it is my first video in English language. At the first time, I beg pardon for my every single mistake. I am not good at English, so I am not expert. Please pardon my every single mistake. I again said this. So that's all today's video. I think this video will help you to take decision which book you can buy or you should buy. So today is all over. Thank you for watching my video and keep doing good work. See you again. Assalamu alaikum.